Hey there car enthusiasts. Today we're talking about the Chemical Guys CWS203 HOL315 Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean, easy to use drill brush carpet upholstery fabric cleaning kit. This 16 FL ounces citrus scented cleaner is designed to remove dirt, odors, and deep stains from automotive carpets, seats, and floor mats. The intense foaming cleaning power of this product effectively lifts and separates dirt particles and stains from deep within fabric, providing fast and thorough cleaning results. But here's the real game changer: the carpet brush drill attachment. Instead of spending hours scrubbing back and forth, you can attach the spinner to your drill and let it provide deep cleaning results. The nylon bristles of the attachment combine with the power of your drill to reach deep into pores and lift stubborn stains and dirt, saving you valuable time and money. And to make things even more convenient, you can perfectly dilute the product in the convenient spray bottle included in the kit, allowing you to create custom solutions for all of your specialized cleaning needs and expertly spray down surfaces with maximum coverage. So if you're serious about keeping your car's interior looking fresh and clean, I highly recommend checking out the Chemical Guys CWS203 HOL315 Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean, easy to use drill brush carpet upholstery fabric cleaning kit. You won't be disappointed. Make sure to click the link in the description to grab yours today.